how to put automatic signature on your Gmail account. For example, if we want to send an email to anyone, after writing your email and we want to write down best regards, your name and address and some logos, address of your company and your office, whatever it is, you can put down. This is called signature. You don't have to write down always in every email if you make the signature automatic. So step by step we will see. First of all, we will go to the settings option. This is the settings of your Gmail ID. Then see all settings. If we click there, the settings option, there are some other settings like level, inbox, theme, advanced, and so on. If we scroll down at the last of the settings, general settings, there is signature. This is my signature. I have written down before. I have written here my company name and best regards. If you want to change it, you can. For example, if I show you, so you can delete it and edit. So if I edit signature name, my signature I have write down, and you can create one new, or if I edit it like this, I write down best wishes, Russell, whatever you can write down. So if we do that, then create new, this is not create new, so this is, I have write down, I have edited and corrected something, then save change. I have changed it. So let's see now, new compose, and look, I have corrected. It was before, it was best regards, now it is best wishes. It's me, Russell, my company name and the address, where it is, mobile number, and some other information. You can modify, you can add whatever you want. So that's it. It's easy, it's very simple. Very simply, again I am showing you, go to the settings option, see all settings. At the general settings, the last one is signature, not last one, the middle one, signature. So my signature, you can write down even my signature it is. And then the right side, this is best wishes or best regards, best regards, then save. Look this way. Alright, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, that's good and our work is fruitful. See you in another video.